developer of the pass kit. Tina Chen had the initial focus of students in mind as she herself experiences stress. When Tina was a University of Waterloo student and experienced depressive symptoms, instead of letting it get her down, it gave her an idea for a mental health kit to help people cope with anxiety.
So I definitely had some depressive symptoms, and that inspired me to also seek out other people with these lived experiences to just like see what the story was around mental health on campus. And that really inspired me to also continue on with the product.
The pass kit comes with a stress star, earplugs, sleeping mask, a pack of gum, and a deck of 25 cards that have positive thoughts to lift your stress away. It can be purchased at mypasskit.com. Mental health affects 1 in 5 people, but platforms like Bell Let's Talk and Passkit are trying to end the stigma. According to the Passkit website, only 49% of Canadians will socialize with a friend with a serious mental illness, and 22% of teens will consider suicide this year, and 2 in 3 people suffer in silence.
Us as a company, we like to provide some informal help as well. So something that's less stigmatizing to access, such as like the kid or just like having a conversation with your friends. And I think that we'd like to improve that by 1, decreasing the stigma and improving awareness through events that we participate in, and 2, making more products like this that people can access without going through like the wait time.
Also, the kit was made to always emphasize the urgency to treat trauma, but wants to do the same for mental health, to bring an awareness to mental illness symptoms that we can't notice and give people the items they need to relax. Tanya Young, a student services worker, talks about how students can use basic tools to relax.
Really good at talking about it, but to do it in practice consistently is a bit more, especially for students.
The founder, Chen, also wants to spark change with the pass kit to educate and inform with the goal in mind of dispelling myths about mental illness and how people are living with mental illness to allow for better recovery and the quality of life. Rachel Thompson, colleague of Tina Chen, focused on mental health as it affected her personality.
But Tina fully takes the time to understand it and understand her users. I think that's why the pass kit is different, because Tina and her team have kind of lived through it firsthand and then also done a lot of research to make sure that what they're promoting and including in their product is relevant for their age demographic.
Thompson talks about how Passkit is beneficial to users when they can't attend a doctor's appointment. It's another tool that can help them through the day while they wait to see a professional.
So having this tool to use kind of in between those sessions, or if they can't make it, I know firsthand has been impactful. So I definitely believe in the efficacy of the Passkit.
And that there's certain triggers that would make them react to the previous trauma that they've had before. So with our kit, especially our flashcards, it was a very good tool to have on their person to remind them like what can they do when they do experience that stress that they've experienced before.
For mental health, it may be troubling to get support, but Passkit is always accessible and easy to carry. It can help you through tough times. For Spoke TV, I'm Jason Asa.